We had plans to stay in the Charleston area for several days. We wanted to see quite a few things. We figured it'd be best just to find a nice KOA nearby to stay at. We found one located in Mount Pleasant, South Carolina, which is also called the Charleston KOA. It was a very nice campground, and we didn't get to spend a whole lot of time there. We did get a film a walk around, so we'll give you what little footage we have, give you an idea of what the campground's got to offer. In true KOA fashion, we got a escort back to our campsite. That is one of the nice things about KOA. You come in, you don't have to worry about trying to find where you're going. These guys will take you right to where you need to be, and it's very nice. You know, you don't have to worry about getting lost and confused, going the wrong way. They do a pretty good job getting you in. Another nice thing is they'll make sure you're lined up, all your connections are in the right spot. We also talked with him afterwards a little bit, and he gave us some good recommendations to where to go for dinner. And that was a good spot to eat. Recommended by locals, always a good thing. Got some tent campsites back in there. Angle in. Yeah.
Get a little bit of a glow.
Yeah.
Kind of how it did last night. You're reflecting. Isn't it pretty out there?
Yeah. I grabbed the wrong camera. It's looking awfully dark. Oh, it's not so dark here. It's looking dark.
That way.
Well, but maybe just, I don't know. Can bring it. Brought the GoPro instead.
Here are kind of like a lake view, right?
Yeah, that's what we got, lake view.
There's like an area where it's a deluxe.
Then these are like lake front.
Lake front.
Yeah, see, they're along the lake over here.
That one's not cheap.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's like the Primo. Yeah, it's got like a little fire thingy in the back. And
There's the people in these cabins.
mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a car there. Yeah.
There it is.
It's so cool.
Does it show anything about it on the website?
Not too, I don't know. Yeah. It's so cool.
Yeah, that is so cool. Oh, those are the deluxe ones right over there. That's the deluxe ones. Yeah, that's what the map showed.
Okay.
But they've got that front, that full lake view.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, those are the deluxe. And then we're the like kind of mid. Nice campground.
Yes, it is.
I like this KOA. Having seen a splash pad. Oh, that'll be fun.
Oh.
That's like where it's just
Yep.
water that you get under.
Yep.
Zach, come over here, guys. Fire ring.
Oh, looks like the pool's still open.
Yeah. I saw some lady there yesterday.
Somebody's in there right now. Probably.
Kind of a nice pool area.
Yeah, it is a nice pool area.
Right. They can always come down there.
The lights going on the rec hall there.
Yeah.
After 7.
A lot of cabins at this one.
Yeah.
So this is, are we going to come back and look for
This is kind of it.
Is it?
This is it.
See over there where the left, what's that's the deluxe sites.
Yeah. Hmm.
It's a big campground. Look at that. Want to cut through here?
Yeah, let's cut through here.
Okay. Little buildings. So like if you have
I
a,
guess to wash your dishes and stuff.
that's so,
Somebody's in there washing something.
oh, there's the wagon ride.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope we can do that. That'd be neat. But we're gonna try.
Yep. Yep. Tomorrow we got try something.
Huh?
We'll try something tomorrow, see what happens. I can put this on the end of the El Grande and hanging off to the sides. And,
If we're able to do this.
Yeah. how far? We won't walk down or just, we just kind of,
Yeah, we could cut through here. Did you want to cut through here or just go back? We can go back.
we can go back. Yeah, just more sides. I mean, these are less, I mean, the deluxe, these are less, there's like just on grass. I mean, they're on grass and stuff. It looks like we'll hook up over there. Yeah. Maybe not full hook up too. Some of these aren't, I don't see sewer on some
Yeah, like
water. I don't see sewer hooked up on some of these.
cool.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's pretty.
Okay. It's a tiffin.
All over it.
It's a tiffin.
You like the tiffins?
They're nice. Expensive. And then there's our little mallard.
I know. But hey, we kind of match those that are around us, size-wise.
Yeah.
We're not. I thought we'd be dwarfed by
Big
these.
things like that.
Guy there. You know, the lawns are starting.
You getting tired back there?
Little. That one's pretty too. That one.
Yeah. No.
We still have some areas where the sun's starting to close. We also have some areas where it's not.
Oh, that's right. I got to put the antenna back up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You need a video you can.
Yeah, no.
No?
That
It's
means
on. Right?
yeah.
So that means yeah.
I handed her the camera.
Yep, and it's running. Or full.
Is this stupid camper tricks?
This might be a stupid camper trick.
This might be
Yeah,
stupid.
it just might be. I don't think. Did you bang yourself?
Yeah, I banged it on that again.
Oh.
Not quite.
Do you want me to do it?
Got it. There
There
we
you go.
go. All right.
I don't know. You want to stay up a little bit, or I'm kind of ready to
I'm
kind
kind of ready.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's a walk around the Mount Pleasant,
Pleasant.
Charleston KOA,
Yeah.
or as Google likes to say,
KOA.
KOA.
KOA campground.
Yeah. So, anyways, I think we're done for the night.
Yeah.
Can I leave you with a view from our?
More.
We'll go up and get a
view.
nice view, and then we'll come back and
Yeah.
cut out. I'm gonna leave y'all with a time lapse tonight too. I had nice stars last night, so I'll set up a time lapse.
It's been a long day.
Yeah.
It's been a long
Night lapse for tonight. So for now, I'm Jim.
And I'm Pearl.
Talk to y'all. See y'all later.
Bye.
Give us a thumbs up if you liked our video, and please subscribe by clicking the circle with our pictures on it. Thank you.